Hey everybody, so this is going to be a fairly straightforward tutorial. This is going to be a stylist hip bag. So this is going to be a little bit bigger than the holster I did for Hair Stylists. But you can also use this for gardeners, if you have gardening tools, or working on a mechanic tools. But I initially made it for hairstylists. One of the hairstylists I use was requesting something similar. So I have all the pieces cut out, all the holes punched. I'm not using this one, so don't worry about these holes here. They won't be in the pattern, so ignore those. But otherwise, you'll see that a lot of these pieces. I'm just going to show you a real quick example here. The holes here are bigger than the holes here. That's because it's designed to make a gap like that, so that there's there's a space in here for so it comes out almost like a gusset, not quite a gusset really, I guess, but it comes out in a pocket here. It makes it a little bit bigger to put things for a stylist, like a trimmer or curling iron or whatever. But that's why you'll notice some of these pieces as you cut them out. This is here too. These holes, which line up here, will actually create this pocket. Okay, so create a pocket for easier access of stuff. So in case you're wondering why, as you're cutting it out, why it's like that, that's why. But as you'll see, so I just barely cut these out and cut the holes. I still need to burnish the edges and clean these up a little bit. But that's what I'm going to do next, just because it'll be harder to do that later. So I'm going to clean up the edges now before I start sewing, or even putting the rapid rivets in place. I'm going to clean these up a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to do that first, and then it's pretty straightforward. These pieces here, they fold. And here's the rivet, and as it goes here, well, let me start this side first. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, because they are going to overlap, right? So it's going to be kind of like that, if you can imagine. But I'll show you later. So these ones go on this piece first before I get to sewing it down, because trying to put these rivet these in these holes after I put this in place, way harder. Okay, so yeah, clean things up, get the scissor holsters in place, riveted. Hey everybody, so here's kind of semi put together here. I have a little these where the scissors are going to go. You start with this one first. You just kind of fold it in half, press down, and then rivet them in place as you go. They are a little bit adjustable as far as like angle of this, you see. So before you really squash it down with the rivet, make sure they're angled how you want them. Okay, so I got that done. I also got this done here. Like I showed you before, this piece here is a little bit wider than the holes, and so that it gives space for putting stuff. So that's on purpose. So what I'm going to do next, like I said before, I'm going to go ahead and stitch this whole piece here to these holes right here. This holes like that. Okay, and see how it kind of folds over. I made this piece bigger as well, to accommodate for all this bulk for these 4 pieces here. So it's gonna stitch up just like that. Okay, so once I get that done, I'm gonna go ahead and stitch this, the whole thing, to the main body, and again, it's a little bit wider to help make that pocket bulge out a little bit. Oh, and I also got these. These in place. These are for hanging different items if necessary, if you want. Totally optional. If you're not going to use this, Or if you're going to do something different, just don't punch these holes here in the main body for this. Okay, so I'm going to get started on sewing these together and show you how those look before I get into these end pieces for attaching it to a belt. Okay, all right, be back in a little bit. Hey everybody, so here I am, got it finished. Got it all sewn together, it's looking nice. Yeah, it came together really well. A couple things I wanted to just mention as far as connecting these to belts. What I'm probably going to do, and what I've done here, is I'm going to have some type of clasp, like this lobster claw clasp, on the end of one strap with a buckle. That's just going to hook here, and then a second one of these on the other side that connects to a strap that has the holes for the buckle. So you attach it here on both ends with these, and they go around and connect with a regular buckle and holes. The other option you can do, and I'll have these pieces here in the pattern, is you could connect a buckle directly to this end, right? Just have it right there, and then your strap would run from this side all the way around, and you'd buckle it right here. Depending on how you want to wear this, like on your side, on the hip, in front of you, it's really going to be up to you how it's more comfortable for when you're using it, or your client is going to use it. But yeah, a couple options to the buckle built into it, or just have these and buy some clasps to connect to the end of the straps. For me, it's going to be easier because I have I have just tons of extra straps laying around, and they're odd sizes, odd lengths, and so I can connect one on this side, and use those extra strap lengths that I have laying around. Okay, so I'm gonna get some hardware in here, some scissors, some combs, some hair clips, and all that kind of stuff, and show you how it looks in use, and then hopefully I can get either my wife or my daughter or my son to model it for me. So there it is. Good luck. And again, if I don't mention it at the end, if you have any questions, let me know. Contact me through Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or Etsy or wherever you happen to find this. All right. One last thing. What's really good about this one is you can personalize it. You can put the salon name and then the hairstylist name here, or if this is for a gardener, for mom or grandma, you can get this laser etched right here on front. Plenty of room for, I love you, grandma, or whatever message you might want to put here on the front. It's perfect for that. All right. Talk to you guys later, and send me some pics of your finished products. All right. Thanks. Bye.